Hello everyone, my name is Vika and welcome back to my channel Vika Bakes. And today we are going to bake a rhubarb and strawberry galette, fruit galette. It's going to be a spelt flour and regular flour mixed together, and we're going to place rhubarb and strawberry on top, and it's going to be a super summer dish. I think it's perfect right now, so I decided to mix strawberry and rhubarb. I decided to mix strawberry and rhubarb because it's a perfect match. Right now they're both in season, and look at that, it's perfection, right? And rhubarb is actually known for being having a pectin in it, and it means that we're not going to use a lot of cornstarch for it, and just like rhubarb naturally has it. And I think nature created it on purpose, that they're both in the same season because they pair really well together. And rhubarb actually has a tart flavor, and strawberry has a sweet flavor, and I think together it will be a perfect combo. Here you can see all the ingredients that we are going to need for this recipe, and of course you can find a detailed list of all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. Right now we are going to make our dough for our galette. The dough is actually the same recipe that I used to make my lemon tarts, and you can find the recipe here, or I will also put it in the description below. And yeah, let's get started. So we are going to use 125 grams of unsalted butter. It has to be very cold. I just took it out from the fridge like a minute ago. And also don't forget to put some water into the fridge to make it cold. So we're going to add some water to it, like 5 tablespoons of water. And now we're going to mix it with 85 grams of regular flour and also 85 grams of spelt flour. You can use also like whole wheat flour, other kinds of flour, but just mix regular one with something else and it will work fine. Okay, and just like really quickly you have to mix it all together in the bowl before the butter melts. It will give it like a flaky texture.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
While you're doing it, you can add the ice cold water in here. It helps keep it cold, and also it helps when you're mixing it. Also, you can add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of sea salt. Wow, I didn't even have to do anything. Then you have to form a ball like this, and we will have to put it in the fridge for an hour and just wait. The dough is ready. So now we just took it out, and I'm going to leave it here so it warms up. So now we're going to make our filling for the dough. Our beautiful strawberries, we're going to cut them, and I have like 10 strawberries, and you can even add more, but this is what I had left. And just do maybe like quarters. Beautiful. And now we're going to cut the rhubarb. I already washed it. And we're going to cut it like celery. Just, I don't know how you call it, sliced, I guess. Nice. Okay, so we're transferring everything to the bowl. Here we go. Ta-da! And now we are going to add some lemon zest. That's enough. we are going to add 40 grams of coconut sugar. You can use any kind of sugar, and of course you can use even more sugar, but I don't like when it's too sweet. And also we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just to make sure it's not going to be too juicy. Okay, and then we just mix it all together. And by the way, I already preheated the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to prepare everything right now, put everything together right now. So the filling is ready. Nice. And now I'm going to place my dough onto the silicone mat. I need to spread it out. It's a little difficult because it's cold still, but we can do this. Actually, this recipe is just for 2 people. We don't make, as you can see, like a huge portion. So it's going to be so nice to drink some tea and to have this little indulgence. I think it's good enough. And now we're going to place our filling onto the dough. Put it in the middle. Nice. Nice and pretty. And now we're going to send it into the oven for 40 minutes, but we're going to check on it, of course, as usual. Yay! Now you can dance, chill, drink pina colada or something, and have fun. See you in 40 minutes. Hello, welcome back. So I took it out. Look at this. Perfect. Perfectly imperfect, right? Alright, and now we're going to cut it. And we're going to place it onto the plate and decorate the coconut cream. Yeah. If you think this is all I'm going to eat, you're wrong. So, you know, I just want to make it pretty. And now I'm going to decorate it with coconut cream. So basically it's like coconut milk, and it has, you know, this thick coconut on top. And this is what I'm going to use because I don't have any ice cream. But you know, if you have ice cream, you could put some ice cream. Alright, there we go. Oops, what did I do? But this is how it looks. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a very summery, fruity galette. And let me know in the comments if you make it. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And I hope to see you soon. Bye!